everybody. So when you're at the beginning of your home buying journey, everybody tells you that you should hire a real estate professional. And the truth is you should. But you might see an article somewhere or even something on Pinterest telling you the importance of having one. But you understand the importance of having a real estate agent represent you throughout this entire process. That's why we're going to talk to you today face to face to make sure that you understand it fully.
So reason number one is most people start their home buying process looking at various different websites and just looking at them homes and dreaming about the home. But it's better if you start with a realtor, because we can show you homes that are not even listed on those websites, because we have a private list that are only available to realtors that we can explain and show you more houses once we find out your criteria of house that you're looking for.
Exactly. And number two is going to be, if you're a person who needs a home loan, what we can do as a real estate professional is recommend a really good mortgage lender to you, because most of the time people assume that their bank is the best place to go, and you're not always going to get your best options at a bank. So we can recommend a really good mortgage lender and be able to explain that process and the pre-approval process and what you need to do before you even speak to one to make sure that you're pre-approved for a home loan.
Reason three, we're going to help you navigate through the contracts and explain all the different contingencies and everything that goes along with writing out a perfect offer and a real estate contract to make sure that we have your best interests at heart.
And to make sure that your offer is the one that gets accepted. And number four is going to be the home inspection. Most people don't know where to start when it comes time to get a home inspection. And of course you don't have to get one, but why wouldn't you want to get one? So what a real estate agent is going to do is find you a really good, reputable, licensed home inspector, explain to you the cost, and meet you at the property or meet the inspector at the property while the home is being inspected the entire time to make sure that we're asking questions that we know our clients, you, want to know about the home. And those are pretty much the reasons. Those are the most important reasons why you want to hire a real estate professional. At the end of the day, this is your biggest purchase and you're going to have your back, but sometimes you can't do it all by yourself. So you need somebody behind you that's going to have your back in case you fall. And that happens to be a really good licensed real estate professional.